Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley here at the Mountain View Cottage, and we are doing a laundry room makeover, and this is part 2. If you missed part 1, I'll link this in the video description. Go ahead and watch it and you can see where we started and what my laundry room looked like to begin with. And today I'm going to kind of catch you up to speed with where I've been and what we've been doing in the meantime, and I'm going to install the wallpaper. I want to thank Milton and King for sponsoring this video. They provided the wallpaper for this project, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like in this space. So let me catch you up to speed with where I've been and what I've been working on. So I installed this chair rail at the top of this beadboard, and I covered all the holes with wood putty. I sanded it down nice and smooth. I caulked all the seams and the edges so it looks seamless, and I painted it this beautiful pinkish mauve color. I will tell you the name of the paint and the brand in the description of this video. And now that all of the beadboard and the chair rail has been installed, I'm going to install the beautiful wallpaper so graciously given to me by Milton and King. First up, I was given a ton of instruction and information on how to use this from the Milton and King company. They were so helpful in making sure that I was prepared to install all the wallpaper, and one of the best tips that they gave me was to install the wallpaper with the wallpaper paste, and when you roll it on the wall, to roll on a generous amount, because then you can kind of move it around on the wall and match the seams much easier. This was the very first wallpaper project I have ever done, and honestly, it went on so smoothly and easily. It was easy to match up the seams with all of the edges and the pattern, and honestly, so surprised at how easy it was to install this wallpaper. It made me feel like I could totally do this again in a larger space if I wanted, and I was not turned off by wallpaper whatsoever. I've wanted to use wallpaper for so long. Okay, here is what the wallpaper looks completely installed in the space. I did it on all 4 walls above the beadboard, and I love it so much. The name of this wallpaper is called Flora by Milton and King. It is just black and white, and there's actually some like deep purple in the center of the flowers, but it's not super noticeable unless you're like up close to it, and it's just so beautiful. Stay tuned for part 3, and I will put this room completely together with all the finishing touches. I'm going to install shelves, I'm going to organize and clean, and I cannot wait to show you the end result of this space in the next video.